Hi guys! Welcome to my second vlog. As you can see, ayan, may bago akong haircut. May clean na yung buhok ko. Hindi na siya yung kulot-kulot like before. So ngayon, we're on our way to my school. Hindi sa academic school ko, sa vocational school ko. Kasi today is our pre-assessment for the barista class. And, hi mommy! Yeah, she's just gonna drop me off at my school. Kasi same lang din naman yung way namin. So, ayun. Wish me luck. Ay, intro pala. Forgot the intro. Welcome to my vlog! Okay, update. Malapit na kami sa school. Actually, nandito na kami. We're gonna be dropped off in less than a minute. Bye! Take care! See you later! So, ayan. Wala akong makita kasi nagpa-fog up yung glasses ko. Nagot ako. Morning.
Ito nga yung sa ng grinder.
Sa grinder. Do I look like a barista na? Gusto mo mag-hi sa vlog ko?
Oo, nagbablog.
Siyempre, subscribe ka sa akin. Kuya Juice, hi ka sa vlog ko. Hi vlog. Ay. Miss Dam, hi ka sa vlog ko. Hi.
Ha? Kala ko picture.
Yung vlog to. Hi ka sa vlog ko.
Ay, naka-record pala tayo. Hello, Sans.
So I'm just running. Hi, so tapos na kaming dalawa ng Miss Tang. Yung classmate ko. Tapos dalawa na ulit. The other two would be doing it. Miss Tang, how was the pre-assessment?
Nakaka-nervous.
Nakaka-nervous. Super, no?
Pero, ano to? Parang elevated yung feeling mo.
Elevated.
Na nakagawa ka ng on your own. Without coach around.
At saka, no, we felt like real baristas, didn't we?
You're right.
Terio, Kuya Juice, gaano kahirap yung pre-assessment?
Napakahirap.
Ano na?
Mahirap ba yung pre-assessment?
Nahirapan ako.
Mahirap.
Nakakaba siya.
Nakakaba, nakaka-pressure, no? Ano yung pinakamahirap sa inyo?
Buti nga,
ng
yung
milk.
pag-steam ng milk.
Steam ng-
Buti nga si Manong Bantay.
Hi! So, tapos na kami ngayon sa school. Nag-usap lang kami regarding the graduation and stuff. So now I'm heading to the car. So yeah, I'm heading to the car now. Kasi nag-park si Mami somewhere there. Probably 200 meters away. So ayan, ang init. Sorry. Super duper hot. And naka-apron pa, as you can see, nakalimutan kong tanggalin. So, now people are staring at me. Hindi ko alam kung dahil ba sa vlog. Is it because I'm vlogging or is it because of my apron? Or is it because of both? So, nandito na yung kotse. So, ayan, nandito na ako sa car. Saan tayo pupunta, Mami? Ascendo na?
So, nandiretso na tayo.
So ano pala, time check. It's 1:26 PM. Usually pag ganitong time, super init tapos super tinik ng araw. Pero I don't know, may bagyo ba, Mami?
I don't think so.
You don't think
Parang
so?
mga 6 p.m.
Oo nga eh, yung vibe parang ano na, parang sunset. Oh, did you see that? Parang sunset yung vibes. Tapos ayun, gloomy. Kala mo winter, kala mo mag-winter na. Pero no, hindi pa mag-winter. Eh yeah, that's how I look like. Ang taba ko, diba? And nandito na kami. Uy, parang hindi umulan siya. Parang may shield yung Ashesla. Ayun, look oh. The roads are dry. Almost dry. Oh, Gucci. So ayun, hindi naman kami gagastos dito ng malaki or baka nga wala kami gastos dito na anything except for the parking kasi wala lang, we just wanted to unwind. So ayun, kung may makita kami na something cheap that's worth its price, edi we're gonna get it. Pero if not, edi walang gagastos. Wala ba yun? So ayan, hinihintay namin muna na huminto. Hindi naman huminto or humina yung ulan kasi hindi talaga yung may mga hindi talaga kami makakalabas kasi naging heavy na rin yung rain. Nawala na yung magic invisible shield ng Hacienda. Eto, look. See? So yun, hindi namin alam kung rain pa rin ba yun or hail kasi parang violent masyado. Shout out pala kay may pa-shout out na. Wala pa mga subscribers. Pero shout out to Menor La Canaria, kay Naria, kasi sabi niya sa akin hindi kasi siya nakapasok today sa school. So sabi niya, i-share ko daw sa kanya tong vlog na to. So if you reach this far, di shout out to you. So yan, chat mo kung narinig ko yung shout out ko. Ayan, baka lumabas na kami kasi parang humina yung rain. And then mom's watching my TikTok video. Ayan, we're just filling out forms to get inside. Thank you. Ito yung sinasabi ko na open. Hold on, let me show. Ayan see? The holder not open just Nag-withdraw. Ay, tinan mo sa gilid na yung face shield ko. Ang ganda ng view. I mean the photos, ang ganda. It really takes you back to the 1900s or even 1800s. Yeah, we're just gonna visit a friend of mine. Ayan yung clinic niya. If you're near here and you need dental services. This is him.
Nandun kasi, Doc?
Ay, wala yata.
Hindi. Bisitahin lang namin si Chloe. Kasi wala pa na siya.
Wala sila Sunday, Monday.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Big hati. Wala pala si Kuya Chloe. A friend of mine. Dentist na. So, kung malapit kayo dito and you need dental services. Wait lang, Kuya Chloe, free to free advertisement to Ayan See? Baka naman Kuya Chloe. So may food court pala It's called Hacienda Food Court. Tanan! Tingnan natin kung mura yung food dito. Tapos magpo-food review to. Ang init. So they've got lots of food. And hold on, let me show you everything. Hindi kayo makapag-decide kung anong kakainin namin because they all look so good. This is one of the reasons why I don't want to go to food courts like this kasi super dami namin magagastos kasi ang sasarap ng food lalo na pag gutom ka. So, tip ko sa mga magpo-food court. Huwag kayong magpo-food court kapag gutom na gutom kayo kasi you'll end up spending a lot of money. Kasi, lalo na pag gutom na gutom kayo, everything will look so good. So, we decided to get this. I'll show you later. Pero, it's triple wings for 99 pesos each. I think, it's with rice na, no? 99 pesos with 3 wings. Ay, ayun na. It stopped raining finally. So ayun, babalikan na lang namin yung orders namin kasi we're gonna buy bottles of water from 7-Eleven kasi mas mura dun. And you know, tipid hacks. I-weigh nyo muna kung mas mura yung water sa food court or convenience store or whatever. In this case, mas mura yata sa 7-Eleven. So that's where we are getting our water. Para tipid. Time check, it's 2:05. So probably 2:06 na. And after eating...
pagbalik natin dito
yeah, pagbalik natin, we're gonna be starving already. So plug ko lang, baka naman gusto nyong i-follow yung TikTok ko. Pa-plug ko siya. Basta i-follow nyo. Ayan, we got our water na. Tanan. This is not sponsored by anyone. Oh, kala mo sikat. Pero ano, oo. This is not sponsored by anyone. So if I'm showing any product, sa akin lang yun. Hindi siya sponsor. Ayan. Pero kung may gusto mag-sponsor, pag sikat na ako, diba? Ito. Yeah, and we're heading back to the food court now to eat. And ang dami kong nakikitang sale. Pero wala naman akong pera. So, hanggang tingin lang. Ayun no. Sale up to 70% off. See?
That's her shoes. Her black shoes.
That's where I'm gonna get my shoes when we start face-to-face classes again. Diba? 70% off siya. Up to 70% off. Pero kahit 70 pesos, wala ako. Char. Ayan no, medyo natatempt ako. May Levi's, may Oakley, Penguin, Fila. Bye ma. Di na yata ako aabot ng food court. Nanghina na ako sa gutom. Nawala yung tao dito. Pero ano?
Pero ito na.
Ito yung sa atin, diba? I guess we could get it. Kung napanood niyo po yung vlog na to, ate, kinuha na po namin yung order namin. Do not worry na baka nanakaw yung order kasi po kami po yung kumuha nun. Kasi po wala kayo.
We're hungry na.
Yeah. And dito kami kakain al fresco. Based on the appearance, what can you say about their food?
It's not presentable.
Mine's looking good though. See?
Okay.
And you gotta trust her on this one. Pag sinabi ni mami na hindi siya masyadong presentable, it means hindi talaga siya presentable. Because my mom's a chef. I am not kidding. Like, chef talaga siya. Your review.
Wait.
Underexposed siya. Ayan, kasi it's kind of humid. Kaya medyo madilim.
Wait na, your taste. Yun pa rin yung lasa niya, masarap.
Masarap.
Yung presentation lang ngayon ang hindi na.
Okay. Pop talk. Pop or flop? Pop. So ayan, Kuya Tony Pet Gaba, baka naman pwedeng pop talk. pop or flop, I promise magiging super strict ako. Madaldal ako, so pag sinali niyo ako sa pop talk, siguro magiging 2-part segment yung pop talk.
Kasi yung reviews ko sa kada restaurant or adventure would be really long. Kaya baka kailangan kunin yung magpa-pop or flop. Hindi na kailangan yung iba kasi sa super daldal ko, kailangan sagutin yung 1 hour. Baka nga pwede pang 2 hours kasi wala pang ayun na nahulog na ito. Wala pang commercial break, hindi diretso yung 1 hour, kaya magsalita ng ganun.
May bayad daw pala yata. Wave ka na lang sa vlog ko. Tingnan natin kung mag-wave ka. Oh, there we go. Napa-wave ko siya. Nag-wave ako. Nag-wave back siya. So, ayun. We're done eating na. And it was really good. Ikaw, was it good for you?
Yes.
Diba? It was good. Next time. Busog na kasi kami ngayon. And we're heading back to the car now to get home. Ayan. Sunny na ulit. Weird. But good. Ayun na yung dark clouds. Doon na sa. Tapos here, sunny na. Parang abroad yung vibes dito. Like a fancy bus stop or something. We're back to the car. Who's gonna drive home? So, flash update.
Oh, traffic.
Yeah. Nawala yung nawala yung one part of my AirPods case. I'll show you. Ayan o. Sayang. Hi, so we're just a couple of minutes away from home. So I think I will be ending this vlog na kasi when I get home I'm going to do my missing modules for the last time. Tatapusin ko na lahat and probably run some errands at home. So, tsaka I'm gonna edit this vlog para ma-upload ko siya kagad. Although, wala naman ako masyadong maraming subscribers. Pero, maybe I'd grow. So, ayan. One last view before I stop this. Before I end this vlog, rather. Wait lang. So, ayan, one last one. So, to my subscribers, support me. Kung di ko pa kayo subscribers, don't forget to subscribe kasi I would probably do food reviews on every vlog that I would make kasi I don't know, lagi akong gutom. Pero yeah, I would do food reviews and stuff. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Tapos mag-comment kayo again ng mga tips and suggestions on how to make this vlog better. Ayun, nagkalat sa likod do, puro mask yan. Tsaka like this video. And pwede din kayo mag-suggest kung anong gusto nyong i-content ko kasi I really have no idea. So kung ano lang yung gawin ko for that day na I think would be interesting for some of you or pwedeng sa lahat kayo, if that makes sense. So ayun, and I'm trying to practice me looking at the camera directly. Ayan, medyo na-conscious kasi ako sa itsura ko, pero so ayan, dami ka na namang sinabi. See you on my next vlog. Bye.